Hello everyone, and welcome to another video on online money tactics. On this video I'm going to be showing you another tactics that will enable you earn some money online even while you're sleeping or doing other stuffs. Just set and forget, and you're going to make money even while you're doing other business of the day. So stick with me on this video while I show you this brand new hack. And again, this method is available worldwide. So with that being said, welcome to Online Money Tactics, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online. I make tutorial videos about making money online, and talk about affiliate marketing, I talk about CPA marketing, I talk about apps, websites that pays you for doing stuff, so doing nothing, and I teach about making money online and make you see that making money online is very easy. So if today is the first day of you coming to my channel, or if you come before you didn't subscribe, I'd like for you to support me by subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome content or better video than this one, YouTube is going to notify you. And I also need your support, so like this video if at the end or during this video you gain any value, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions or you just want to say anything. Probably say thank you, Matthew, and definitely share this channel with your friends, because I want for us all to win. If you're winning, your friends are winning. And if you come on here on my channel, there are lots of videos on here you can leverage on to help you make money online. So with that being said, let's go right into the video. So first of all, you want to go to a site called pexels.com. So as it says here, it says the best free stock photos, royalty free images and videos shared by creators. So on here you have lots of videos and pictures you can use without having any copyright issues. That's what royalty free images and videos means. So you can come on here and you're going to find pictures and videos you can use for promoting or doing whatever you want to do online. And if you've been watching my videos, you'll be seeing some videos I use. I get most of them on this website. So that's what Pexels is all about. So when you come on here, first of all, you want to type something related to making money online. So for instance, I type online money tactics, and I click enter. So it's going to show me videos and pictures that is related to making money online. So you want to navigate to the part that has the videos in them. I can see these are videos you can leverage on to use to do whatever you want to do online. So pick any one of your choice, because you're going to be using it on this video. Pick any one of your choice that relates to making money online and download it straight up to your computer or to your phone or to your tablet or wherever whatever device you're using right now to watch this video. And I want you to leave in the comment section below and tell me what device you're using to watch this video. If it's a laptop or phone, a desktop, let me know in the comment section below. So for example, I want to download this one. I just click on this button and it's going to download this video to my computer. So the next website you want to go, it's this one called Volutic.com. This is a website that pays you for reading email, and this is the website that's going to be paying us as today. And don't worry, we are not going to be reading emails to get paid on this website. But yeah, if you want to go ahead, you can come on here and read emails and you get paid for doing that. But though the money you get reading email will be very, very little, like should I say infinitesimal amount of money you're going to be earning from reading emails. But yeah, it's another legitimate way of you earning money on this website. So we'll be using these websites to get us paid in another form. As you can see, they have this numbers of people, and this number of people is online, and they paid out for over $5,454,000 already. So if you come here to payment proofs, you can see that people are actually earning money from this site reading email. and you can see that on here. If you scroll in on and on, there are lots of posts on here. You can come on here and check that out. And so that is basically what this website does. So what you do on this website. So first of all, you want to click on register. When you come on Volitip.com, you want to click on register. You want to put in your username, you want to put in your email, you want to put in your password. We type your password, check these first 2 inbox or probably 3 inbox, then click on register. We'll send you a link to your email. You just go to your email and verify your email. Once you've done that and you log in, this is how your dashboard is going to be looking like on the inside. So what you want to do is copy this URL. Yes, we'll be promoting this Volitip as an affiliate. I know when we are probably downloading the images, the videos from Pexels, you are asking yourself, or you're just thinking, what are we going to be using it to do? Well, we are going to be using that video to promote Volitip. And why are we going to be promoting Volitip? We are promoting Volitip because we are going to get paid. If you scroll down here, it said we pay you $1 for every referral when your referral earns $1. So anybody you're going to be referring to this site, when they sign up and they earn their first $1, you also will earn $1 as well. And I'm going to be showing you a traffic source where you can just set and forget, just go do other stuff. All you just have to do is come on here to your Volitip account and just check how much you've made already. Or if you still want to make money by reading mails as well, you can also do that. So I'll be showing you a traffic source where you'll be getting traffic. So people sign up, when they earn their first $1, you will earn $1 as well. So if you invite 1,000 people on here and they earn their first $1 each, you're going to earn $1,000, guys. So that's how we're going to be making money on this website. So first of all, what you want to do is copy your referral link. Copy your referral link, and you want to go to any link shortening website. You can use Bitly. You can use Bitly to do that. You can use EZ-Link to do that. You can use AdShrink to do that. I talked about making money with EZ-Link. That video will be showing right now at the top right hand of your screen, where you get paid for clicking, or people click on your link and you get paid. So once you come on Bitly, you want to click on create, and you want to paste the URL you just copy now. Just paste it there and click on create. It's going to shorten the URL for you, and you're going to use this URL to do your promotion. You might want to customize that, probably say get paid to read email. Okay, I don't have to put that space. So you want to customize something like get paid to read email. Let me put some numbers so I don't take that up. So after doing that, you want to click on save. And once you click on save, you want to copy the URL, and you want to go to this website. You want to come to this website called imgur.com or imgur.com, whichever way you want to pronounce it. And this is a website where people come on here to post memes, videos and pictures, and this website gets lots of traffic each and every month. If you come to a website called similarweb.com, you would see that this website Imgur gets about 234 million visits every month. So you have potentials of getting lots of traffic from this website. So when you come on here, you want to click on sign up. I won't go through all of that because I don't want this video to be long. You can do that on your own. It's quite easy to sign up, just like we did on Volitip. So you just come on here and you sign up for an account, and after you sign up for an account, you want to click on new post, and you want to upload that video you just copied. That video we just downloaded, you just want to put it on here. you just want to put it on here. So as you can see, the video is uploading. So you just give it a while. So if you're gaining any value from this video, please go to the comment section and leave me a comment, and also like this video, and please subscribe to this channel because I'll be posting more awesome videos on how to make money online. So with that being said, let's get back into the video. As you can see now, guys, our video has been uploaded. So you first of all, you want to put in your title on here. You want to type in like get paid to read emails for free, something like that, along that line. You want to put that as a title. Then want to come to the description down here. I want to put probably get instant access, and you want to paste that link we just copied just now. You just want to paste that link we just copied now from Bitly. Remember, we took our referral link. We took our referral link from Volitic here, and we took it to Bitly, and we shortened it on Bitly, and now we are on Imgur, and we uploaded the video we downloaded from pexels.com, and we uploaded it on here, put up this title and put up this get instant access, then the link we shortened, and you can add tags on here, probably anything of your choice, how to make money online and so on and so forth, whatever you want to put in on there relating to making money online. And you want to click on this to post it to community. And guys, once you post it, I'm sure you're going to start getting traffic. People are going to start clicking on your links to get registered, and whosoever registers on this website and makes their first $1, you also will make your first one. You also will get $1 as well. So imagine for a site that have over 234 million visits every month. Even if 1,000 or 2,000 people can register through your link in a month, that's $1,000 to $2,000. That $1,000 to $2,000 that you will be making through this website. You can as well copy this link and share it with your friends, share it on your social media handles, your Facebook, go on Quora. You can answer questions on how to make money online. So guys, that's it on this video, and there'll be 2 videos popping up on your screen right now for more ways to make money online. Go check them out, and I'm sure you're going to gain more value. Until I see you in my next video next time, keep winning, and always remember that Matthew loves you.